Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that, as you know, and I have also informed you in the previous video, that more important than the ongoing war in the Amhara region for Tigray Defense Force is the war which is currently underway at the Afar Tigray border. This war has been going on for the last 2 days, and the purpose of the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies in this war is to enter the Tigray region so that the ongoing war in the Amhara region can be reduced. And the Tigray Defense Force side now claiming that about the ongoing war, Tigray Defense Force has pushed the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies back from Afar Tigray border. Earlier, there were reports from some sources that the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies had entered the land of Tigray from the Afar border. But now, according to the Tigray Defense Force claim, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have repelled the attack of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and have pushed them back from Afar Tigray border. According to the latest reports, the war has spread in several areas of the Afar region at this time, and this war is currently going on in Abala, Birhale, Adit Kusra, Drubu, and Enfitale. Along with this, Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have gained control over the weapons of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies from Afar Tigray border. Viewers, this front is very important for Tigray Defense Force because it is not far from the central capital Mekelle, and that's why now reportedly a huge number of soldiers are being deployed by Tigray Defense Force on the Afar Tigray border, and Tigray Defense Force is also trying to keep away this war from the Afar Tigray border. But reportedly, all these areas on Afar Tigray border are currently under heavy war between Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces, Amhara militias, Afar forces, Eritrean army, and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, on the other hand, in the Amhara region, currently heavy fighting going on between Amhara forces, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force on B-22 highway. And various claims are coming from both sides about heavy war on B-22 highway. Reportedly, Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force has won major victories against Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies between Debre Zabit and Debre Tabor, and claimed that Tigray Defense Force has captured dozens of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during the ongoing war on the B-22 highway. And the photos from Tigray Defense Force regarding the claim are also shared that you can see on your screen. Whereas, according to the reports received from the Ethiopian National Defense Force sources, the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies have caused heavy damage to Tigray Defense Force in the surrounding areas of Gashina and has claimed victories against Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, on the other hand, a video is received of Vurku Aitiniu, Amhara billionaire and closest friend of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, is seen brandishing a weapon to the crowded in-house concert. And Mr. Vurku recently joined the combatant forces of Amhara militia to fight against Tigray Defense Force. But now he is enjoying concert. A short video clip is received. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.